we're going to have a look at blanket stitch today. So it's called blanket stitch because you usually see it as an edging stitch around blankets and things, and it is really good for joining two pieces of fabric together and finishing edging a piece. It can be quite decorative if you want something a little bit different to just a running stitch or back stitch. But today we're going to look at blanket stitch just purely as a decorative stitch. So I've drawn a line here to help us. We're going to do it on a line. You can also do it in a circle or any which way you like, really. So it can be quite versatile, and it's not too difficult. I don't use it too often. It's one of those ones where I'm in a good pattern of doing it, and then all of a sudden I forget to catch the stitch and I'll go wrong. So I do sort of not do it very often. So we're going to do sort of an L shape. We've come up from the bottom of our cloth. I'm going to do a diagonal across here. But when I say L, it's because we're going to come up down here. So pull it through, but not all the way through, and then come up underneath that top stitch, and it makes sort of a backward L or a J without a dot. And we're going to come up again. We're going to go straight over to the top point, come down. Before you pull it through, come up again. I do find it's very easy just to pull it all the way through. So you sort of get into a good rhythm, and then you're like, ah! I've pulled it all the way through. It's not too difficult to correct though. You just have to loosen your stitch and go pull it up. You could draw two lines to help you get the height of the blanket stitch consistent, but it does just take a little bit of practice. There we go, and to finish off the blanket stitch, as you would expect, you just come straight down next to the stitch rather than going up at a dagger. Rather than coming up at a diagonal. And that is very easy blanket stitch.